Today's front clip, 2017 Acura MDX. This is before it gets out on freight. If you were to pick this up not paying for freight, this is exactly what it would look like. It'd be sitting on this skid. It would be unwrapped. Pretty typical front end for us. Nice overall, clear headlights, both sides. Fenders, good shape. We never promise covers to be insurance quality. And this one has a couple imperfections. Clean hood, no issues or stories there. We do point out paint imperfections. We don't promise paint to be an exact match for you. We do color codes, but we don't guarantee it to be perfect. There are a lot of variables involved in paint. Get you under the hood and take a look. So the insulation's there. We leave an awful lot, but we also pull an awful lot. So rad condenser fans. Usually find a couple motor mounts depending on how it comes out. Fuse box, wiring harness. Rad support, of course. If you check some of my other videos, you'll see the finished product, how we do these when they're completed. As far as wrapped out, they don't always include dashes. This one's a little bit different. We must have found, yeah, this one had a scrape or a cut in the dash, so that wouldn't meet our quality standards. Therefore, we don't need it. Maybe the next person can use something out of it, so we left it intact for them. Moving on to what is bagged up, we've got the fender liners. We've got a splash shield in there. Inside this bag, you'll find AC lines, usually radiator hoses. The air cleaner box will be in there. And then any other miscellaneous that we might think you can use. If you have any questions, give me a call. Number is 800-222-2528. My direct extension here is 112. My name's Jared. You can find me on Facebook, Instagram, and pretty much anywhere else you can imagine at this point. Just look it up by name and you'll find me. Feel free to subscribe. And thanks for watching.